Buying a home might seem daunting, but breaking it down step by step can simplify the process. Today, I'll walk you through each phase of buying a home in Raleigh. Step 1, get pre approved. Meet with a trusted lender to determine your budget. This pre approval letter not only sets your price range, but also strengthens your offer when you're ready to buy. Step 2, house hunting. With your budget in hand, we'll explore homes that fit your needs, whether you're looking for a condo, a spacious single family home, or something in between. I'll guide you through neighborhood tours and open houses until you find the right match. Step 3, making an offer. Once you've found the one, we'll craft a competitive offer based off of market data. In today's fast paced market, timing is everything, so we need to act quickly and smartly. Step 4, inspections and appraisals. After your offer is accepted, scheduling a home inspection is crucial. This step helps uncover any potential issues. An appraisal will confirm the home's value, ensuring everything is in order with your lender. Step 5, securing financing and closing. Once your loan is finalized, we will move to the closing phase. Here you'll sign the necessary documents, settle closing costs, and finally receive the keys to your home. This process might seem complex, but with expert guidance, it becomes an exciting journey towards home ownership. For personalized support each step of the way, call me today at 919-740-0379 and let's schedule a consultation today to walk you through the process. Have a great day.